Hi children, in previous class we have learned about kinds of sentences, right? How many kinds of sentences are there? 5 kinds of sentences are there and they are assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, exclamatory sentence and optative sentence. Right? We have learned about 5 kinds of sentences in previous class. Today we are going to discuss about assertive sentence. Assertive sentence. What is assertive sentence? Assertive sentence is a statement. It shows a statement. It shows a clear or honest statement. Right? See, for example, he comes today. The sun rises in the east. These are assertive sentences. These are statements. The sun rises in the east. It is a honest statement, right? See, this assertive sentence we can classify into two. Assertive sentence we can classify into two. Affirmative sentence and negative sentence. Assertive sentence we can classify into two. They are affirmative sentence and negative sentence. What is affirmative sentence? Affirmative in the sense positive. Positive sentence and negative sentence. See, assertive sentence it shows a statement and assertive sentence we can classify into two, affirmative or positive sentence and negative sentence. What is positive sentence and negative sentence? What does it mean? How can we identify a positive sentence or a affirmative sentence or negative sentences? See, here are some affirmative sentences and negative sentences. You can see on the board. See, affirmative sentence and negative sentence. See, she is coming today. And negative sentence is she is not coming today. Positive sentence, she is coming today, and negative sentence is she is not coming today. How can we identify whether a sentence is positive or negative? How do we know this? See, in order to make a negative sentence, we have to add not along with the helping verb or any negative words along with the helping verb like never, few, seldom, not. Those are negative words. If we add any negative words along with the helping verb, we can make negative sentences, right? See, here you can see she is coming today. Here is helping verb, right? Is helping verb. See, you can see in next column she is not coming today. She is not coming today. Here I have added not along with the helping verb. She is not coming today. When I add this not along with helping verb, this sentence became a negative sentence, right? See, she is coming today, positive sentence, and she is not coming today, negative sentence. And tomorrow will be a holiday. Tomorrow will be a holiday. See, tomorrow won't be a holiday. Tomorrow won't be a holiday. Here, will is helping verb. Won't, it is will plus not. Short form is won't. Okay. Will plus not is equal to won't. Okay. Tomorrow won't be a holiday. It is a negative sentence. Why? Because there is not in that sentence, right? See, next one. She knows English. She knows English. Negative sentence is she doesn't know English. She doesn't know English. Does plus not, doesn't, right? She doesn't know English. And I like ice cream. I like ice cream. Negative sentence is I don't like I don't like ice cream. I like ice cream is a positive sentence and I don't like ice cream is negative sentence. Why? Because what is there in that sentence? Not is there. It is a negative word, right? Not is added along with the helping verb. So, we can say that is a negative sentence. See, in order to make a negative sentence, we have to add not along with the helping verb or any other negative words along with the helping verb. Not is a negative word. Not, never, few, seldom. These are negative words, right? If you want to make a negative sentence, we have to add not along with the helping verb. See, you have to complete these notes. I'll be sending these notes along with the video. Okay, you have to complete it and you should send.